to give.
The lane underneath Gobert, blocked at the rim by Gilgeous-Alexander.
SGA, both teams in the penalty the rest of the way, and
it's the designation of a flag.
It's a double.
Into Zoo, what a pass!
The ball now. They get it clean or not. There. Okay, Gillis reaching it.
Oh no, he just tripped. That's the right.
Again, watch this late drop.
No foul here. That's a foul to me.
And by now he's stomping out on the floor. He looks like he wants to get one.